Hello, little friends. Today we are going to learn numbers. Let's learn numbers from 1 to 10. Let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is number 1. 1. This is one apple. Say it loud. One apple. This is number 2. These are 2 caps. This is number 2. Let's say it. 2. Number 2. 2 caps. This is 3. Number 3. These are 3 stars. 3 stars. Say it loud. 3 stars. Hello, stars. This is number 4. 4 ducks. Let's count it. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 ducks. Say with me. 4. This is number 5. Say number 5. These are 5 candles. 5 candles. This is number 5. Say it with me. 5 candles. This is number 6. Say it with me. 6. These are 6 bananas. Let's count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 bananas. Say it loud. 6. Number 6. Now this is number 7. 7. These are 7 balloons. 7 balloons. And this is number 7. Say with me. 7. Now this is number 8. 8. These are 8 flowers. 8 flowers. Let's count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 flowers. Say with me. 8. This is number 9. Number 9. These are 9 cars. 9 cars. Let's count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 cars. Say with me. 9. Now this is number 10. Number 10. These are 10 pencils. 10 pencils. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Wow! These are 10 pencils. Little friends, Let's have a quick recap. Number 1. 1 apple. 2 caps. 3 stars. 4 ducks. 5 candles. 6 bananas. 7 balloons. 8 flowers. 9 cars. 10 pencils. Wow, great job, kids! You learned numbers 1 to 10. Let's count again together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Subscribe if you like the video and press the bell icon. Thank you for watching.